Hello, guys. My name is Paulina, and today we are going to talk about Google Analytics Universal Analytics. We're going to talk about basics, setup, and some implementation tips. So, what is Google Analytics? It is a free product that you use to collect some business data from your website and then analyze it. Analytics gives you a deeper understanding of customers, what they are doing on your website, so you can get a better experience and drive results. Analytics gives you the information as well how users are engaging with your content, what channels they came through, and analyze this information using predefined reports. So I will not make you wait any longer. Let's start. We start from opening a new tab and then just type there Google Analytics. You need to click on the first option because it's already our account and you'll get to the screen. If you never created account, you'll see the button in the middle of the screen, start measuring. As soon as I already created the account, I have another option, another interface. My account has been already created, but I will create another account with you. Let's click on the plus create account on the blue button, and then you will get to the account details. We have account name, which is required. You need to put there, for example, the name of your business or the name of your website, anything that feels suitable for you. I would put there test account. And then we are going to the account data sharing settings block. We have here four options: Google products and services, benchmarking, technical support, account specialist. The last two options, if you enable these options, you are given possibility to see your account from the technical support or from the ads manager if you are in touch with them. If you enable Google products and services, you share your Google Analytics data with Google itself, and by that you help improve Google products. They are just using your data to analyze the activity on different websites and so on. But you can disable it or you can check it out, and it's okay. Benchmark it. Works almost the same, but you are not contributing your data to Google, but you're contributing anonymous data to an aggregate data to set enable features like, to compare, to give their possibility and other users to compare yours, and you can compare your data to their data. Yeah, I hope it feels clear to you. Anyway, if you need to see the example, you can click on it on the show example and understand what this option means to you. As soon as you enable or you disable some of the functions, you can click on the blue button next, and then you are going to achieve the second step of the creation process. It's a property setup. Here you need to give a property name. You need to choose the appropriate time zone and the appropriate country and select the currency that you are using to analyze or that you are using on your website. So I would put, for example, my website. I will just copy my website and put it as a property name to not be confused later what data is being collected in this property. I will know that is my site. Then I will choose the country. The time zone will be selected automatically. And the currency, I would stay with dollars. It doesn't matter. It just means that then your reports will be in dollars. If you use, I don't know, euros or you use other currency, you can just select it here. And then the most important moment here in the creation process, as soon as we are talking about universal analytics, you need to click on this blue text which says show advanced options. You click here, and then you need to enable this option, create a universal analytics property. Because if you don't enable this option, you will just create GA4 automatically. So today we're talking universal analytics, so we need to create this, specifically this property. We enable this option, and then we paste our website one more time. We need to remove the protocol, inter Yeah, we just need to remove it, and then we need to choose or https or http. It depends if it's secured or not. So you can see, for example, my website was not secured, so I need to change it from https to http. And then we're going to the second option, create a universal analytics property only. Yeah, because in the first option we're going to create two properties at the same time. And then we click next, and then we are getting to the last step of this creation process. You need to select some category of your business side. What is your intention, why you want to use Google Analytics? This quiz you can easily just skip by clicking immediately create, because it just from their Google side, it doesn't matter if you answer or not. So I will just click create, and then we get to the Google Analytics Terms of Service Agreement. You can select the language if you want to read it, but already tell you that if you do not accept this terms of service agreement, you are not able to create this account. So I also accept, and I accept this terms of service agreement, and I click accept, and my congratulations. I need to just to close this my email communications information. So our account is created. Here we have their global site tag tracking code or tracking ID, and in the next video we're gonna talk how to implement this code to start collecting data exactly to this account. So I'll see you in the next video. Have a good one. Bye.